Hello, it's Creative Redundancy.
The one known as CR.
Okay, it's time to transplant this. Let's pull this out. You can see the roots are reaching the bottom right now. So I'm going to transplant this out. I've already moistened the soil. Hopefully I can get this in one swoop. Just kind of press the edges here of this container. It's tapered, so hopefully it'll just come out in one swoop. Support the plant here. There we go. Very gently. Very gently. Destroying the roots. Put it in the ground.
Backfilling with soil.
In my hand right here is some compost. Just don't put it around. Have some water right here. I'll slowly pour some water on there.
Slowly wet the ground. And gradually add more water. Adding mulch to keep the soil from drying out.
And water at ground level, below the leaves as needed.
Create a better future starting today, and
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.